when animals are in a new environment, aside from focus, the other issue is obedience. Now, obedience is very important, not only for the safety of the animal, but the safety of the audience. And so what a lot of zookeepers and trainers and veterinarians use is a little hypnosis. This is not a heavy trance, but when I am finished with Willie, when I say sing, he will sing. When I say sleep, he will sleep. When I say crap. Now that's our obedience. All right, I'll tell you what. I will do an impression, yeah, and then you tell me who I'm doing. Okay. All right, let me think. Kim Kardashian. You're tweeting without thinking. Donald Trump. Stop. Diana Ross. Shh. All right, all right, I have one. Ready? Yeah, who's this? Ready? Yeah, who's this? I did not have sexual relations with that woman. Elton John. No, Ellen DeGeneres. No. I'm gonna do one more, and if you don't get it, we're done. Fine. This is like the most famous person. Okay, who is this? Ready? Yeah. I'll be back. Jesus Christ. Number one, it's Arnold Schwarzenegger, and number two, come on. Everybody.